Welcome everyone. So basically, this class is for GST part 2 because we have already created a GST configuration video earlier. So in this session is the second part of the GST where we mentioned our tax code, or we can say that we assign our tax code with our company code. So we just previously we have done all our GST related configuration, but except to assign our GST tax code with our company code, this is pending. So that's why in this class we just want to see that how we assign our tax code with our company code. So now we put the T code /n SN30. GST PRT part 2 assign tax code with company CODE company code. So this part we will see in this video. So put the T code SM30 and the T code is J_1I COND cond tax TA X tax. So this is the table. So J_1IT0 contacts plus enter, or you can click on maintain. Here I have already mentioned or assign our tax code. So you just see this. So our company code is SD01. So in this SD01 we have created this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 tax code. So this tax code we have created, and we also assign here, or you can, for the new entries, we can click the new entries and put your company code, and here you put your tax code. So we have already mentioned our tax code as our company code. So now we do a GST entry AP60. So if it's 00, here we see expense GL, which we use for the GST purpose. Okay, XT0 expense account call tax is there. So this GL we have to use for the entry. So now dash sorry, I have already mentioned it here. The company code SD01. Okay, vendor, we have to select one vendor. Invoice date, the invoice date is today. Amount is 10,000. Okay, business place and section Kolkata. Okay, now put the GL. expense GL, asterisk sign. Oh, before put the tax code, we have to mention another thing. We have to go to the OBBG screen, click on position, put the country IN. Here we have to mention our tax procedure, which is tax IN. Okay, so we have to check another thing is that OBYZ tax procedure, position is tax IN. We have to check our tax procedure. Control panel. Is tax IN. P tax IN. Yes, tax procedure. Yes, this is our tax procedure. P tax IN. So this tax procedure we have to mention here. P tax IN. Press enter. Click on save. We have already in the and last video we have seen that how to create tax procedure. So in this video we did not do that. I'm sharing this the previous video link where the all GST related configuration we have created earlier. You can find this, watch this video, and you can find out that how to create tax procedure. So now come to the this screen. Now click on checkbox. Here all the tax code have been shown. So we have to select I1 cost center. You have to select cost center. The center section. Okay. So now uh, click on calculate checkbox. Tax amount balance has been shown here 1800 because 18% tax percentage we mentioned in I1 tax code. So 11,800. Press enter. Now balance comes in a green. Balance is 0. So now it's indicate it's positive. So now we have to check that there is a okay withholding tax is deactivate. So now click on basic data here. So now click on simulate button. So now here we can see that expenses account debit 10,000, input Cgst is 900, input Sgst is 900, and expense sundry creditors is 11,800. So now click on post. So now document has been created. Click on document display. So now the document has been shown that expenses account 10,000, input Cgst 900, input Sgst 900, and XYZ is 11,800. So here if we mention the document splitting, so profit center is it will fetch all the profit center also, but here we did not active our document splitting, so that's why only profit center is shown in the expense. So now if we like do our document splitting, so our transaction like this, display general ledger view. Okay, so now /n SPRO center reference IMG financial accounting new financial accounting global setting new ledger fields. Okay, financial accounting general ledger accounting document splitting. Yes, document. Okay, okay, so for document splitting, financial accounting new general ledger accounting, mm, business transaction document splitting. Here we have to click on active document splitting. Here we did not like do the configuration of document splitting, we just active our document splitting. Here we click on document splitting is activate. So now save. Okay, so now /n AP60 post another transaction. Here we do the interstate transaction from one state to another state. So our company is created in West Bengal and we have to transfer or supply the goods in Mumbai. So input GST, input IGST, cost center. Let's sell here. Mm-hmm. 3,600. 23,600. So now balance comes 0. Okay, now click on simulate button. So in expenses account debit, input IGST account debit 2x. So now click on post button. So now the document has been posted. Click on display. Here it is. Now click on general ledger view. So now if we active the document splitting, so our transaction will be like that. So here the profit center will be fetch. Otherwise if we did not active your document splitting, the profit center cannot be fetch. So but here we mention the document splitting which is activated, so the profit center has been fetched. So expenses account debit for profit center sales and cost center sales, input IGST for sales profit center, and trade payable is sales profit center. Same way 60. Here other like RCM cases, GST also there. For sales purpose, GST code also, tax code also there. Non-deductible tax code also there. So we can use those tax code. So here we do the entry using like non-deductible goods. Yes, Kolkata. Now we do a input non-deductible GST. Okay, so N1 for central production. Okay, so now no GST has been deducted because these are non-deductible goods. So this is click on simulate. So this is our entry. Now click on post. Now display. Now our like transaction has been posted. If we click the tax option, so it will see that tax percentage which is charged. So it's a zero tax amount. So now same way we have to post. uh, Non-deductible. Now we have to post a RCM. So RCM R1 input RCM Cgst Sgst we have to post. Now check that how it's working. Production calculate tax. No balance has been shown. Let's simulate. So this is our transaction. If we post, now we have to post it. So now click on display. So now we can see that expenses account 20,000, input CGST 1,800, input SGST 1,800. Now the RCM CGST RCM SGST also charged in a negative. So input CGST positive and RCM CGST negative. It's marked. So now it's plus minus. So the balance, the tax amount is zero. So that's why XYZ limited is 20,000 and expense account is 20,000. Now we check. We click on tax option. So here we can see that how the tax has been deducted. Input RCM GST, input RCM GST, input RCM GST, RCM GST. So this is the background tax deduction. So now /n LP 60. Tax code. Now we have to do a posting with non-deductible RCM. We have to we did the post of input GST and input GST where input CGST SGST. Now then we did the input IGST. Then we did the input non-deductible GST. Now we do a RCM GST also. Now we do the RCM with non-deductible posting here. Simulate. Now post. Display. Taxes. Click on tax. So here we can see that how the in a background how the tax code is run. So it's a non-deductible RCM. So in a non-deductible RCM, expenses account debit to RCM, Cgst, RCM, Agst, and um, the XYZ limited, which is 20,000.